What up, fam? Are you ready to eat nuggets?
Yeah, goddamn starving. And so is Winston.
Oh.
Manja.
Are you pumped? Are you pumped? Let me take these bad boys out of the oven. Ooh, look at them. Are you ready? Hi guys, it's Candace the Edgy Veg, and I'm here again with my friend Louie for another taste test.
Hello.
Did you just give yourself a round of applause?
I deserved it.
Good, good. Starting off on a strong note for Louie.
Be your biggest fan. Be your biggest fan.
So, you guys asked us to make more of these videos, so we're here. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and watch the other taste test videos that we've done because they're great.
They are most amusing.
Yeah, most amusing. Yes. So I went on my Instagram and asked you guys what you wanted us to taste test. We just kind of did like, I went on my Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram, it's at Edgy Veg, and asked you guys what you wanted us to taste test. Usually we just took a bunch of products that you suggested and there was no real theme. But this time you guys asked us to try multiple brands of the same item. So we thought to do nuggets and other chicken products. So we're doing all plant-based chicken-like, ooh, and they're ready. Chicken-like products. We've got some burgers, we have nuggets, we have strips. Because we are here and not at my home, this is the only container I could find for the dipping sauce. This is a plum sauce. We both love plum sauce with our nuggets and chicken strip items, products. So we have that. We also have, for the burgers, some vegan mayo and lettuce to make it as authentic to chicken burgers or chicken sandwiches as possible. All right, so I have made us, just put that down for a minute. And then we each have, you'll see a little piece of lettuce on your plate. That is for your chicken burger or chicken sandwich. And then you also have mayo. You've gone and
I like to have a little bit of ketchup on my chicken burger. It's a burger.
It's so weird.
It's a burger. Burgers have ketchup. I would like to dive into the nugget. Okay.
Nugget number one is from Zoglo's Incredible Nuggets. Golden meatless nuggets, suitable for vegans, contains approximate, okay, that's not, simulated chicken nuggets, product of Israel. That's what they look like. So that is these little things. So they look like this. They're very yellow.
Yeah, they're like, I don't know if you can, yeah,
shockingly yellowy orange.
It's like orange, yeah. Bizarre.
They're nice and crispy. I'm going in on their own first and then with the sauce.
I like to have the whole flavor palette. That actually just tastes like one of the lower end types of actual chicken nuggets that you get.
The inside's really mushy.
It is. It's kind of like a, like just like the crap. Like, I'm not saying it's bad, but when you go to get,
it's not bad.
No, when you go to get chicken nuggets from the store and you get like the discounted ones or like the lower end ones, and the chicken on the inside doesn't taste like an actual like chunk of chicken. It tastes like it's just being mashed together.
It tastes like
one of those, but it
like
tastes
pink slime chicken nuggets.
But it tastes like a chicken nugget. Like, I'll give that full credit.
I really like the breading, actually.
No, but it tastes like a chicken
It's
nugget.
a very skinny nugget.
It is. Not a lot of meat in it. That's a funny taste.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
What are we doing? Are we doing it on, like, how close it tastes to a real chicken nugget? Or overall, like, is it really good? I think we should maybe do two scales.
Okay.
So one being, how close does this taste to the actual taste of a chicken nugget?
Like a 5.
Really?
A 5 or a 6.
How close it tastes? To me, this is like an 8.
Really?
To an identical type of nugget in real chicken form, this tastes pretty damn close.
But then in terms of taste, I think it's like a 7.
I would agree with that.
All right. Next. Okay, so for the burger, we have the Gardein meat-free chicken sliders, crispy, 4 sliders and buns, ready in 2 minutes. I guess if you put it in a microwave. Contains no poultry, by Gardein. So you get 4 of these little dudes.
They're decent size.
Yeah, they're cute.
The sliders?
Yeah, they're really cute. I dressed mine with mayo and lettuce to make it like authentic chicken sandwich style.
Does nobody else put ketchup on a chicken burger? I put ketchup on a good chicken burger. It's a burger. Deserves ketchup, mayo, pickles. Same dressing as a burger.
I'm pretty sure in the States they call them chicken sandwiches and not chicken burgers.
No, we're not in the States, are we?
No, I'm just, as like a fun fact. So what do you think?
I really like this.
I really like it too. It's a go-to for me for sure. I used to buy these all the time, and then they got rid of them in Canada. They came back.
That is legitimately really good. First scale, 1 to 10, 0 to 10, on how much it tastes like chicken. It doesn't not taste like chicken, but it tastes like a chicken burger. So I would give it like an 8.
And it has like these like pull-aparty meaty insides.
It looks like fibrous.
I really love it. The bun, like I was a little skeptical about the bun because like
these
it
buns
comes
come
with a
right?
frozen bun.
Oh, they're legit.
But I love that it comes with a frozen bun because it's like impossible to find slider buns. I give it like an 8.5, 9.
Yeah.
But I truly don't think that if you gave this to someone that they'd know that it wasn't chicken.
I completely agree. That's why.
Like if you didn't know that I was vegan and I was like, I'm making dinner and I made these.
I would think that was a chicken burger.
Right?
They've done well.
It's firm, which I like.
Yeah,
in contrast to the other nuggets that we tried, which were like mushy. And on a scale of 1 to 10 for taste, I give this like a 9, 9.5.
That was really good. Yeah, I give it a 9.
So these are the Farm Boy vegan, non-GMO, textured soy protein, chickenless nuggets. You buy them at Farm Boy exclusively.
Now we tried the meat version of these earlier this week, and
Meat version, like the beef.
No, like beef. Yeah.
And they were like, ooh, oh, that's chickeny.
It took me a second. Once you start like getting into that, yeah.
That's like 9 out of 10 chicken.
Yeah, it's chicken.
The mouthfeel.
Everything. I'd give that's bang on for actually tasting like chicken. I'm not a fan of the flavor though. I'd give it.
Really? I like the flavor.
I'd give that a 5.5.
It's not like seasoned. It doesn't have like a seasoned breading or anything. You know what those would be really good in? Chicken balls.
Yeah, like sweet and sour.
Chicken balls.
Yeah, really good insofar as that is a close minute too.
Yeah,
chicken.
It's really close. Okay, let's do, these are the Soul Cuisine, plant-based superfoods, non-GMO, ancient grains, chicken, tenders, hidden with veggies. Ancient grains, hidden veggies, and our signature superfood blends elevate classic pub grub to favorite.
You smell legit.
Oh, I'm gonna try it on its own first. It tastes nothing like chicken.
No.
It tastes like a vegetable tender. Like it tastes like there's vegetables in there.
Chicken flavor?
Oh, like 0.
But what do you think of the flavor though? Second.
I mean, I like it.
Yeah.
It's just not a chicken finger.
I don't mind it at all. Flavor wise, that's one of the better ones for me out of these so far.
The breading is really nice.
Yeah, the seasoning on it. They had to season it because there's not much flavor
inside.
And it's like it's just like a consistent color throughout the whole thing.
Yeah, it's like, it just kind of looks, yeah. There's no flavor for the like meat portion of it.
But
the breading's really nice. I really enjoy it.
Yeah.
Is it the closest thing to a chicken tender?
No.
Absolutely no.
But flavor-wise, if you want something that like a chicken tender,
but has superfoods and ancient grains and hidden vegetables.
This kind of reminds me of a pub chicken finger a little bit.
I think it'd be really good if you had kids to like sneak veggies.
Very easy.
Overall taste?
Give it like an 8.
Really? That high?
I don't know. Yeah,
you give it like a 7.5.
My first number in my head was going to be 7.5. I thought I'd be generous.
All right.
Toss on that extra 0.5.
All right. Next! We have the chickenless breaded strips from President's Choice. They are plant-based in a 7-grain coating. This is a very like trendy thing right now to make like nuggets and chicken tenders with like 7-grain coating.
Ancient grains, 7 grains.
Instead of like white flour, I guess.
5 grains, 4 grains.
The anchor for a quick and delicious dinner, PC chickenless breaded strips have a crunchy 7-grain coating and a delightful chicken-like flavor. Serve and dip in your favorite sauce. All right, we will. In soy protein based, it looks like, okay. So it looks like this.
There's a real smell to it.
The breading is dry. The inside is like eating glue.
There's literally nothing to that. What the hell were you thinking, President's Choice?
There's no flavor. This tastes like the first chicken substitute I ever had, like in the late 90s, early 2000s.
I was just about to say that this probably tastes like what vegans and vegetarians had to put up with 10 years ago.
Yeah.
That is awful.
0.
No, I'm not even giving it a rating.
0.
I'm not giving it the time of
day. It gets, it doesn't even get 1 poop emoji.
I want a glass of water.
Oh, I filled up a glass of water. I just forgot it. All right. Should we move on to the next batch?
Please, for the love of God, yes. This is how lush and green my apartment is. Ta-da! Load her on up.
Oh, I forgot the lettuce. To be perfectly honest with you, I use chicken burgers or chicken sandwiches really just as a Thank you. As a vehicle to eat vegan mayo. We're back. You want to try those? Okay, those are the...
They look very similar to...
The other ones, right? The Soul ones?
Yeah.
These are the Gardein meat-free, crispy tender, 7 grain. We're back with the ancient grain, 7 grain, 12 grain. Got grain on the brain.
Oh my God.
Good source of protein, ready in 10 minutes, non-GMO verified. It looks like these ones are also soy protein and wheat gluten.
I will reserve my review until you have tried.
Okay, I'm gonna try it on some.
I gave it a double 5.
Double 5, really?
It's a middle of the road.
Yeah, I give it like, for chicken flavor, like a 6.5.
Texture, it's getting up there. Flavor doesn't totally do it for me, but it's close.
She's walking around. There's the pitter patter of tiny feet constantly. You know what?
All right.
Just, guys, listen, it's just because we have to film this and yeah. For me, it's a chicken flavor is like 6.5. And for taste, like, yeah, it would definitely like crave my craving for a chicken tender.
Yeah, I would.
Am I like gonna write home about it? No. So I give it like a 7.
My dearest Candace.
I tried these tenders today. I gave them a 7.5.
I doth bequeath a 5 and a 5 upon these tenders of the poultry. If anybody else would like to become my pen pal, I'll put my...
He's gonna leave his address down there, and then you can come and
but you can
stalk him.
You can only write to me using a quill, old school quill, and the letter has to be sealed with a wax seal.
He is not at all high maintenance. We have the Eve's Cuisine veggie nuggets with whole wheat breading.
You know what whole wheat means to me? No fun.
They look like every other one that we've tried.
Mine looks like a half melted snowman.
Okay. I really like that. There's like a nice, moist, juicy flavor.
That's like texture and like juiciness of a flesh. It's like 8.59.
It's
like,
really good.
Like the dense, you know, I think it's because it's thick. And so it allows that.
You know what? It is the thickest.
It is.
It is the thickest of the things we've tried today.
Yes.
She's a thick bitch with 3 C's. Yeah, that's my favorite so far of the day.
Really? Of the day?
Of the day.
Bold statement.
Which one's your favorite so far? Thus far.
I would have to say the first, I think was the first one of these that I said tasted like a pub flavor that was really nice, seasoned one.
Oh, that was the Soul Cuisine one, monsieur. That one was your favorite?
So. I mean, like the slider was pretty good too. That one wouldn't be, although I'd say the texture is probably the best on that one out of all the ones that we've tried.
Okay, the last one is the meat-free chicken with like chick apostrophe N patties. Good source of protein, ready in 12 minutes, GMO project verified, no poultry. Serving suggestion: bun, mayo, lettuce, onion, and pickles.
Interesting.
Not ketchup. I have mayo and lettuce on mine.
I have le ketchup.
I've also steamed the bun to get the fast food feel.
That was smart.
I'd likes. It could be a bit thicker though.
Yeah.
It could be twice the size, twice the thickness.
So that's good.
It's really good. It's all I taste is bun.
Exactly. It's very hard to kind of bite through it. Not actually bite through it. I mean, like, get through to the flavor.
But it's juicy. I'm going to finish it. I'm not pushing it away. I just would like to talk and wrap this and then eat it in peace without an animal on my lap.
Good.
Chicken flavor?
Good. It's there.
Yeah, it's
7.5.
I was gonna go like 8. Yeah. It's the patty's nice and juicy. So the breading is nice too. I think the breading's nicely seasoned. It's not too thick. So when you cook it, it's not just like hard breading and then mushy soft inside.
Yeah, breading, but the patty itself needs to be like 30% bigger.
Yeah, it needs to be twice.
100% bigger. I will remain dirty.
Okay, guys, if you like these taste tests, let us know in the comment section below, and also let us know what you want us to taste test next, and we will go and get all of the brands of that thing that you want us to taste test. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you like these videos, give it a big, huge thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.